Mano kwe ayatu hanalish. Mano kwe ayatu hanalish. Like I not to start on time, like better to fill up that beginning. Okay, we'll just use that.
No, we'll just get them from here now. From here, where this one first chorus, and we'll check.
Okay.
Just
listen.